Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to repair a garden hose like this, which the male threaded adapter has broken off, and we need to reconnect it with something like this, which goes in there, and this would then screws into the nozzle, and so that we can have this hose to be functional again. I bought this kit, which comes with both the male and female attachment from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description that you can click on it, and if you find this video useful and purchase it from me, it helps support my channel. I would appreciate it. All right, let's get going. Okay, so this is a really simple process, only take a couple of minutes. You would take this part right here of the male. The reason I said this is the male is because this part right here is the only one that's going to be sticking out of the hose like that, and it will be going into a hole like this. So therefore this is the male on the left side and this is the female, and so all we have to do is push this in. If this is hard to push in, sometimes you would probably want to use okay, first thing that you need to do is put this ringworm fastener into the hose first before you put this side in, and all you do is just push it in. And if this is hard to push in because it is so tight in the hose, you may want to put some dishwashing detergent or some kind of soap and water so that it can glide in a little bit easier. Mine goes in pretty easy without a problem, and so we go ahead and put it all the way as much as you can. See, that one's all the way. All right, next you would put the fastener or this ringworm compression thing really close, probably up to almost just 1/8 of an inch away from the top, and just go ahead and fasten it. I'm using a 7mm hex nut, and the 7mm hex nut, it works really well. You can also use obviously a flathead screwdriver, but you're going to be slipping and it's going to be really hard. So yeah, go ahead and just tighten it. Don't tighten it too much, because if you do, you can strip these ringworms, and you can damage it. So just tighten it just enough, and afterwards all you have to do is just put this in. Oh, before you put this in, make sure it has a rubber gasket. This one already has a rubber gasket. If it doesn't have a rubber gasket, it will leak. So all garden hose connection requires a rubber gasket. So if you have a rubber gasket, you can go ahead and screw it in. Make sure the thread matches before you screw it in, and that's it. So you just save yourself buying another pair of hoses. So this is a very cheap repair. I believe the kit is only, I want to say, $4, and it comes with two pairs of this, so male and female, and another one male and female. Again, thank you for watching. If you find this useful, please click on my link below to shop on Amazon, to buy this on Amazon. It helps support my channel, and please give it this video a thumbs up and share to whoever that you feel can benefit from this, and then subscribe to my channel if you find contents like this useful. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.